Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on pharmacokinetic models. In previous parts of this session, we discussed about the pharmacokinetic models and classic compartment models, various types of compartment models and their representations. In today's session, we will discuss about the physiology based pharmacokinetic models and non-compartmental models. When we compare the classic pharmacokinetic compartment model and physiological based pharmacokinetic model, the compartment model, in this we are assuming the various imaginary compartments which are composed of the tissues and organs having identical or similar distribution kinetics. While in case of physiologically based compartment models, we are considering the various physiologically relevant, well defined and structured compartments or major organs. Now, the physiological based compartment models, it is an approach based on the knowledge about physiological, physical and biochemical processes that are involved in drug disposition in order to predict the time course of drug concentration in various organ and tissues of the body. Diagrammatically, the prototype physiological model can be represented like this. Here, various compartments like venous blood compartment, arterial blood compartment, they are interconnected with other compartments like lungs, heart, gut, liver, kidney, highly perfused tissues, poorly perfused tissues. And they are interconnected by the blood flow, lymph flow or other biochemical fluxes. Various constants like Q, Km and Ke are used to statistically and mathematically describe the pharmacokinetics processes. Q, that is the blood flow rate through the organ. For example, Q lungs, QL means Q liver, QG, QK, QHPT and QPPT. While Km, that is a rate constant for hepatic elimination, and Ke, it is a rate constant for urinary excretion. There are three types of physiologically based compartment models: whole body pharmacokinetic models, partial physiological based pharmacokinetic models and metabolic physiological based pharmacokinetic models. Whole body, here closed loop circulation concept is used. In partial, isolated body system is used, while in case of metabolic, hepatic elimination of drug using physiological and biochemical parameter is considered. Now next one, that is non-compartmental models. It is also called as model independent method or model independent approach. It is an alternative method for describing the drug pharmacokinetics without having to assign the particular compartment model to the to the drug. It is based upon some assumptions, such as here consider drug is always showing linear pharmacokinetic and drug is eliminated from the central plasma, and it is rely on the fitting of sum of exponential function to the experimental data. Estimation of pharmacokinetic parameters such as area under curve, T half and total clearance is required. So there are some equations we use in case of non-compartmental analysis, while in case of compartmental models we are assuming body is composed of various compartments, or we are dividing the body tissues into various compartments, and rate processes or rate constant we use to describe the pharmacokinetic processes. These are some suggested readings regarding the pharmacokinetic models. Thank you.